Welcome to my Manjaro Linux tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Nvidia driver for your GPU and also how to install Cuda and cuDNN on Manjaro Linux. So first, let's check if your computer has a graphic card or not. So you can open the Manjaro Linux, go to settings, and then on the right, click Manjaro settings manager. So this is where you can make some changes to your system, including installing, for example, the latest Linux kernel. And this is something I really like about Manjaro Linux, is allows you to get the latest kernel. For other Linux distro, for example, Ubuntu and also other, you might need to wait until they release the another version for their Linux distro. And it's usually pretty late, maybe a couple months later, but here you can always get the latest one. So this is the Linux kernel. We have the 6.13. Next, let's see how we can install the Nvidia driver here for your graphic card. So for my system, for this demo, I have this GTX 1050 Ti here. By default, when you install the operating system, it's going to use the open source driver. So something like this in here. And although it's okay, but if you're doing like deep learning, machine learning, you might want to use the Nvidia driver because the performance will be better than the open source one. So just open this Manjaro settings manager and then right click, install, click yes, enter your password, hit enter. And it's going to take some time to download this Nvidia driver. This is very easy to do. If you're using other Linux distro, you might need to go online and then to search and download the driver manually and install it. I really like Manjaro that this is integrated, so you can just with a couple click, you'll be able to install the driver. It's going to go online to download it for you. And this is just for the driver. So after it's done, we can install Cuda. And similarly, if you open the software manager here, you can just search Cuda, hit enter. So Cuda is the GPU programming toolkit provided by Nvidia. It's pretty big, so if you are doing machine learning, deep learning, you probably need to install this one. Again, this is sometimes not very easy to do on Windows or maybe Mac. You only download the software, install it, but in here, just one click, okay? Besides that, you can also install cuDNN. This is another one that for doing deep learning with the Nvidia driver. So again, this is 1.9 gigabyte. Click this one, and so here you will see two operations. You're gonna wait. I recommend that wait until you finish installing this Nvidia driver. You might want to reboot your system, and after that you can come back to this one. So I just want to show you right now because this is still waiting, and hopefully it's not taking too long. Only a couple minutes. Then we need to reboot the system. Okay, as you can see, the Nvidia driver has been installed successfully. It says done. If you see any error messages, then you need to resolve that. So after this step, I would recommend just reboot your operating system. So go here and then just click the restart. We'll be back after it's rebooted. Okay, the system has rebooted. So let's double check, go to settings, Manjaro settings manager, hardware configuration. As you can see, right now we have this Nvidia driver has been installed successfully. That means now we're good to go. So we can start installing Cuda and also cuDNN. Go to the software manager, Cuda. Okay, click this one here to check it. The second one will be cuDNN. Okay, and just click apply. Enter your password. Hit enter. It's going to download that one from the AOR repository. Here you have some like optional dependency here. If you want, you can just click choose any of those. If you don't, you can skip that. It's not going to matter very much here. In this case, click apply. And here you go. Now it's going to download. It's going to take a couple minutes because this is pretty big software packages, 2.7 gigabyte. And we come back after it's done. So, but as you can see, it's so much easier than installing Cuda and also cuDNN on other Linux distros. Also on Windows. Windows is kind of challenging to install. You also need to register an account on the Nvidia website in order to download those, but on Manjaro Linux and also Arch Linux, it's super easy. Okay, we'll be back once it's finished installation. Okay, after a couple of minutes, then the installation has completed successfully. So now we have Cuda and also cuDNN on our computer. I would recommend that you reboot your system, but we can actually check earlier if the Nvidia driver has been installed successfully or not. You can open the terminal and then just type Nvidia -HMI, hit enter. Scroll to the top here, you should be able to see the driver version, Cuda version 12.4. And that's it. See how easy it is. Just a couple click, you can install the GPU driver and Cuda and cuDNN. Get your system ready for doing deep learning and artificial intelligence. Okay, so that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one.